Hello guys, today we're gonna be unboxing this MagCube and I'll show you some also footage of how it looks with a bit of daylight on there. So this is the box. As you can see, I've got a HY Pro Plus, and then it's just a very small little projector which comes in this amazing box. First thing first, you can see the projector. It's not even that big, it's very little, compact. It comes with other things in there such as the cable and so that you can connect straight to it. And let me just open this one so you can see what we've got in here. So what we've got is the cable to connect to the wall. This was the power to give it to it, and inside this one you should have the manual and also the remote, which is pretty clean and pretty neat. This is not big much of what comes in there, but that is pretty much what comes in this. So this is the projector. The projector is not very big, it's very compact. It has some fans on there. You can put it on a stand, you know, if you have a tripod, and then it rotates, and then you can see it has even an HDMI on there, USB-C, a USB-A, and then you've got also your normal cable, and then your power button and your cable. So that goes in there, which is I think is a strong one to connect it on there, and then that's all it is. So I'm going to show you a video of how it works so you can see a demonstration of everything and how it looks like, and then you guys can decide. Watch till the end, and thank you very much for watching.